In this video, you will learn how to pre-validate your bank account on the e-filing portal for Electronic Clearing Service or ECS credit of your income tax refund. To begin, click the button to log in to the e-filing portal. Enter your login ID, password, and capture code. Visually impaired people may opt for OTP instead of capture code. Then click on the Login button. After logging in, go to the Profile Settings tab and click the Pre-Validate Your Bank Account option. Then, you will see the details of your bank accounts integrated with the e-filing portal. You will also see each account status in terms of being validated and EVC enabled. EVC stands for Electronic Verification Code. Only one bank account can be EVC enabled. So, if any of your bank accounts is already EVC enabled, you won't be able to EVC enable other accounts. If you would prefer to receive your income tax refund in a different account, click on the Add button. Enter your bank account details, your account number, account type, IFSC, and contact details. Your PAN should be seeded with the bank account in the bank's database, and your name as per your PAN card should match your name in your bank account. If it matches, then the account will be pre-validated. If your mobile number and email address seeded with your bank account also matches the e-filing portal registered email ID and mobile number, then such accounts can be used for generation of EVC to verify the return. After entering your bank and contact details, click on the Pre-Validate button. After that, the page redirects and you will see an acknowledgement of your transaction. You can also use your bank's net banking facility to pre-validate your account. Pre-validating your bank account has benefits for e-verification of your return. It streamlines the ECS credit of your income tax refund and gives you higher security. In addition, it is easily done on the e-filing portal.